Sounds a little better. Dang it! Oh, you got mud on it, Alex.
Yeah, it's stuck in the yard.
Freaking rain. So, the black truck is back. What are we doing to the black truck today?
Intake.
Make it a little pretty under the hood.
Just a little.
Just a little. Yeah, guys. All right, here's the deal. So, we're going to do a little upgrades. Nothing too crazy just yet. But something much needed. Not only is it going to add some extra power, but it's going to add a little extra color under the hood too. So Alex hadn't decided quite yet if we're going to stay Viper blue, but it's worth a shot to look at, right? I think it'll look good though.
I like the black.
Yeah. Either way, it's going to look sick. Little carbon fiber intake. And yes, dude, you didn't he didn't tell me you got the mirror caps on.
Oh yeah.
Frick.
Oh yeah.
It looks good, guys. He has not been able to do the they're gonna do a major cut and buff on it, but yeah, if you caught the introduction video of it being done, Alex has just been kind of doing little stuff here and there. It's got another cluster on the way. We're gonna go with a little bit different cluster, and then just some little stuff. But yeah, truck is coming along freaking fantastic. And you guys got to see these. Hold on, are the lights on now, or does it do it when you shut the door? All right, so you guys got to see what these lights do. Oh, there it goes. When you open the door, it popped on too. But yeah, I hit the oh yeah. And then when you turn them off and you shut the door, they all light up orange or amber or something. All right, maybe not. I guess not. It did a second ago when you shut the door. Oh, there you go. Yeah.
Oh, wow. You got
Oh my God, that's badass. What kind of lights are those?
V-Land.
V-Land. Those are sweet. What are they, like $1,000 for the set?
$756.
Good God. They look good though. You got to pay to play, right?
Compared to $1,800 plus
For the stock, yeah.
each.
God. Yeah, those are sick. I knew they did the amber outline. I just didn't know how. All right, so we're about to put some go fast parts on the truck. All right, boys. So a couple quick but very helpful mods. Gonna do the CJ manifold, and this is the 10. What size is this throttle body? It's a 107 maybe. It's freaking huge. Yeah, that's the Ford Racing CJ throttle body. And of course got the carbon fiber JLT, and then the matching covers, paint matched. Guys, if you didn't know, this was all actually supposed to go on the Viper blue car like way back in the day, and we ended up doing the supercharger and all that, and so it's just been sitting here, and now it needs to go on the truck. This coupled with a tune is probably going to be some pretty impressive gains. Very, very impressive gains. All right, so how are we looking here?
So walking apart.
Act like you've done this before.
A couple of times.
Once or twice, right? Yeah, nothing to it. I tell you, there's nothing better than, like, you know, back in the day, the pushrod 5.0s had the coolant running through the intakes. These got dry intakes. I mean, it's literally like a bunch of 10mm bolts and unplug some stuff, and
A lot quicker.
Boom, yeah. No gasket problems. Oh, there it goes.
Unplug injector does that.
Every time.
They pulse.
It'd be alright. Yeah, so then we need like nice need a nice set of ceramic coated long tubes and almost there.
For the people that don't know about the parts.
You're gonna relocate the which tank you're gonna use? Explain.
04 Explorer.
04 Explorer. You're gonna mount it over there.
Mount right there.
Yeah, that way you can run the.
Yeah, that Cobra Jet intake won't.
Right.
It hits that when it comes around.
Yeah, because it's gonna sit up a little higher and the throttle body's gonna be right there. So there Get out of your way.
Support is just. Then you got the stainless wire.
The throttle body.
The on the E. That's the purge valve.
Oh, okay.
Purge
We
valve.
don't need no stinking purge valve. No. We're not going there, are we?
Yeah, you gotta have it.
We gotta keep our mouth shut about that stuff now.
Kick a check engine light on.
Yeah, it will. Quick test fit.
Oh, I'm just gonna stick it on there.
Oh, that's right. Yeah.
Done with it. There you go.
Oh yeah.
That pop.
We need to
Pop of
dust
color.
it off a little bit, but yeah.
Whole
See
thing.
what? All right. So the blue with the black, yeah.
Yeah.
I love it.
I mean, it matches your
It
shirt.
matches your shirt exactly.
I ain't riding under the hood.
Well, there you go.
That looks fire, especially once the intake's on it. That's gonna look great.
Ain't out all the way or something?
Yeah, I got to go back there.
No, that one ain't out. It was that one.
Lift this up so I can get my big hands back there and unplug those.
Oh yeah, we still gotta get the
Runners unplugged.
MRCs. Hey, you gonna have to undo that heater hose too. Take the pressure off of it.
There it is. It's still hitting something back there. All right, there it is. Epic. It's got a spot right here on the back, Alex.
You wanna get the bag?
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
I can go either way.
Yeah, I'm good right here. No black needed, sir. Viper blue all the way. Come on, Alex. You know it looks good. Come on. That looks great. Nice little contrast, you know, a little color to the engine bay.
See if this one.
Yeah, put the intake tube on it.
There it is in the way. See that?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Let's see. Ain't no problem.
We'll throw that away, huh?
That looks epic.
Yeah, take that off. I've seen some
100%.
people mount this to the side, but I say just do away. Opens the front of the engine compartment up too.
What do you think, Bronte? I'm down with the Viper blues.
Stupidest thing Ford ever done, putting that thing right there.
Work on that jump.
That what you telling me?
No.
So you still down with just gonna do the black?
Go with black.
I got you. All right.
That way-
It's gonna look good and
That's where I can clean all this
Yeah.
dust and dirt out under here and get it shine under the
yeah.
hood.
I'm excited once you get it where you want it, it's gonna look perfect under here.
Yeah.
Yeah. That power is gonna be nice too.
Yeah.
Especially on top end with that CJ intake. This thing's gonna scream.
It's a cruiser, man. Ain't gonna be no top
Cruiser?
end.
Nah.
Ain't no top
Hey, you
end
don't
on a
put
cruiser.
Cobra Jet intake manifolds on cruisers.
Yeah, you do. I like putting a whip on there and driving 45.
Yeah, right. What are you, Renard? Hey, look, hey, we got a little shameless plug for Nard in there. Got a stinger. You got it.
Yeah, got it.
All right. So, test fitted the blue. Not gonna go blue. Gonna go ahead and go black. So, I'm gonna pull it back off and send it off and get it painted. Oh crap! I think we're gonna get rained on here in a minute.
Ain't no quit again.
Quit on again.
Yeah, knock on wood, my brand new camera hasn't locked up yet today, so maybe we're on a
I
winning
hadn't
streak.
figured that one out yet.
This one.
Why they done that with a double hose clamp.
Just in case, right?
Just in case they couldn't make you bad enough with that one.
Right.
Oh my god! All right, guys. So the plan is, all the blue stuff is going over to Nick's and get a nice, fresh, shiny coat of black, and then get everything bolted back on and run it up to Daryl. Get a tune put on it. It ought to rip then. Once that happens, do we get to see the race between the black and the white truck?
No.
No?
No.
Why?
I don't want to get wrong.
Do you think your old white truck's going to take down the new one?
Yeah.
Even with the tune and the intake. What do you think, Dover? I think, guys, drop a comment below if we should race both the trucks, because I think that'd be a good one, don't you? Yeah, it'd be a good one for sure. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much what is the what. And yes, if you see Lee's notch sitting here, it's actually about to get loaded up and head home. Everything's pretty well done. Brand new power by the hour built trans is in. She's ready to go. We can't do any more 100-foot long black marks, but Lee's gonna have fun with it, and I'm pretty sure he's gonna bring it back for Ford Takeover, so should be on that. Maybe he'll even put it on the dyno. Who knows? Should be pretty awesome, though. All right, guys, last and final thing before I let you go. It's not official. It's not official yet, so I can't actually say, but there may be something mind-blowing coming. We don't know yet, guys. We don't know. Something popped up, and there's a good possibility something extremely mind-blowing could be on its way. There's a few things that have to happen to make that possible, but when I say keep it tuned right here, definitely. I mean, it will be the most epic.
It would be awesome.
Guys, I'm serious. I'm not even joking when I say what could maybe very possibly be coming, and the reason it's been taking a little while. I'll just leave it there. So hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and oh, Alex got the truck running. She's good. So there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. And I've got other news as well. Just stay tuned.